and content creator, and today we're going to be trying the new concealer from Sephora. We're going to be trying the Sephora Best Skin Ever Full Coverage Multi-Use Concealer. To the channel, please make sure that you like and subscribe and comment below if you've ever heard of this concealer before. So we're going to go ahead and start off with this my foundation, put the concealer on, and then I'll put the look together and give you my final thoughts. Let's get started. The e.l.f. Cosmetics Halo Glow Liquid Filter. Now this is going to give you a nice glow. So if you like your face to have that glow to it, the e.l.f. this would do good for it. One of the reasons I like it is because of just how natural it fits my summer complexion. Of course, in the summertime it get darker. I feel like this goes well, and I'm going for a soft, easy look today. So that's why I use this particular foundation. I forgot to conceal my eyebrows. I'm just going to go ahead and do that real quick. This is getting a lot of good reviews. One of the influencers that I follow uses it, and this is supposed to have full coverage multi-use concealer with a natural finish, long wear, and anti-pollution. So we're going to try it on, and again, I said I got the shade 55N, retail of $16, which to me is not a bad price for Sephora. But of course, if you're a Sephora, if you have Sephora points, you can get it for cheaper. Wait for Sephora had a sale, but all the products that I'm using are going to be linked for you below. I think I nailed it when it came to the color, especially for, like I said, the summertime. I nailed it. I love the goldness of it all. I think it's not too yellow, and so far it's blending out really nice. So comment below, let me know what you think about. Do you think I matched the right color for this? But overall, I like it. I don't think I need to get any darker or going lighter. This is perfect for my complexion right now. So of course, maybe in the, it might still work in the summer, but for right now, we're gonna focus on the season that we're in, which is the summer fun. But yes, for $16 and the reviews, I can see why. Okay, so now that I put it, I feel like it blended too well, because I feel like I have nothing on. Like I can't even tell. Like, you know, you're supposed to have that little highlighter. I can't see that. So I'm not gonna put any more, but it just looks like it disappeared and blended in with my skin. So I don't know if that's a good thing or not, but I might have to go a little lighter to get the particular highlight that I want when you have concealer on. Alright you guys, so this is the final simple everyday look. You can see just added some little lashes to it. But all in all, I think I like the color. I think I needed to apply more. But I think also once I didn't have my setting powder today. I left that. But I just liked how the look came. I think with the glow and then with this concealer, it's not giving me a brightness that I would like for as far as concealer and highlighting goes. So of course I said I didn't go in and put the setting powder, but it gives me the, I can see it gives me the coverage, extra coverage that I needed around my eyes and my cheeks. So overall, I like how the look came together. I definitely would still give this another try when I have my full makeup set with me and I'm able to do the setting to let it bake a little bit. I think that will kind of give it the boom, but I like the way the gold came on. That's my nice dark chocolate summer complexion. So comment below, let me know what you think with the look. So Juvia's Place lip with a nice little lip gloss, and I think this is a nice look for today. So I think it gives me nice, simple glam going out for the day. But overall, I would give this a 7 out of a 10, which is not too bad. But all the products I've used today will be linked below. So thanks for watching and make sure you like and subscribe. Toodles.